Hello, dear children. Do you love stories? Today, we're going to listen to a math story and we're going to learn something. I hope you do love stories. Well, look at the chalkboard. What do you see? See, the moon is shining brightly in the sky. Look at the golden goose swimming on the water. What about the old man? Look, he has his hat. He is a fisherman and he has his fishing basket. He's really old indeed. He has white beard and white hair. Now let's see how this story goes. Now once there was an old man who lived with his wife. The old man was a fisherman. Every day he took his fishing basket, wore his hat, and went to the river to find some fish. Now one day the old man went to fish, but then he tried to put the basket in the water and tried to get some fish, but in vain. Oh, I have no luck today, he thought. Perhaps I shall try tomorrow. So, on his way back home, the moon was so clear up in the sky, and it was all dark. He spotted from a distance something that was glowing and shining, and he wondered, what could it be? He walked closer and closer. Closer and closer. Can you see him? Then, to his surprise, he saw a golden goose shining all bright with golden feathers. It was such an sight. And carefully took his basket and dropped it. And the goose tried to move, but it couldn't. And it quaked, but it couldn't move. He had trapped it and said, "Oh, I had thought I had no luck, but indeed, I will fetch lots of money tomorrow if I go sell this golden goose." So he carried the golden goose home. As he was walking, something surprising happened. The golden goose spoke, and the man heard. And he trembled and wondered, what kind of a goose is this that could actually speak? He thought and then said, "Oh, it will even fetch me more money because it is a talking goose." But then the goose said, "Please, please, please don't sell me. I'd rather be your slave. Keep me in your house. I promise, in return, I'll lay for you 2 eggs every morning. So when you wake up in the morning, you will find 2 golden eggs each day." Okay, thought the old man. That's not so bad after all. So he took the golden goose and never told the wife and placed it somewhere at a corner and locked it there. In the morning, he couldn't wait for the cock to crow. He simply rushed to go check, and indeed he found 2 golden eggs. He found 2 shining golden eggs. And he thought, oh my goodness, this is indeed a blessing. Went and called the wife, the old wife, and she came and saw the 2 eggs. Can you count them? 1, 2. He narrated the whole story. The wife said, "We should be patient, my husband. Be patient. Each day, 2. Tomorrow, 2. The next day, 2. Now, the next day, they were so excited to go find 2 more golden eggs. So much joy. We're going to be rich. We're going to be rich," they thought to themselves. The next day, they found 2 more golden eggs. And the next day, 2 extra golden eggs. And the other day, 2 extra golden eggs. But then the fisherman started becoming impatient. 2 eggs per day? No. You know, my wife, bring me a knife. I want to slice this golden goose and I want to remove all the eggs from its belly. I can't wait for 2 eggs per day. That is too slow. When are we going to get really, really rich? And the wife tried to tell him, calm down, my husband. Patience pays. Just be patient. It's better to have 2 golden eggs than to have nothing, my dear husband. Oh, the next day, the man was stubborn. The old man did not want to wait. He went himself and he got a knife and he cut the poor golden goose. And he immediately split open the belly. But to his surprise, there was nothing at all inside. There was really nothing. And so the wife said, poor you, didn't I not tell you to be patient? They went to count their eggs, and let's see how many eggs the golden goose had given them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And so, dear children, I hope you have learned the multiples of 2. So let's say them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. I hope you have enjoyed. So I hope to see you during the next math story session. Goodbye for now.